Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Ipsy bag. So let's get in and let's get into the bag. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Ipsy bag. Now this one is actually an accidental Ipsy bag. I actually skipped my subscription for the month of January, but lo and behold, I was billed for it. So I was trying to figure out where that bill came from. Lo and behold, it was actually from my daughter's account. She also has Ipsy. So this is for the profile of an 18-year-old. So if you're not too sure what Ipsy is, basically Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription where it's $12 a month, and every month they send you sample and deluxe size products. Sometimes they will be a full-size product within it. So that is what this is, and all the information for Ipsy will be in the description box below, so you guys can check that out yourself. With these videos for Ipsy especially, I definitely have to put on my glasses because the information on the postcard is usually tiny for me to read. All right, so every month your bag comes in, your subscription comes in this bag. So it's super cute. And then you actually get a free makeup bag along with that subscription. So this is what the bag looks like this month. And I think it's really pretty. And then all your things come inside. Now, sometimes if the item is too big and it doesn't fit inside, so always definitely double check in there. They will put something on the outside, and I actually do have something here. So we're gonna take a look to see what that first item is. And it also comes with a postcard, just giving you guys more information as to what the product is. So the very first thing that came outside, as you can see there, this is a brush, and this is a Luxie brush. It says 560 medium fan flawless brush. And then here it says, hold on, let me just open this up so we can get a better idea as to, I don't even know what you use fan brushes for, and that's the purpose of these beauty subscription boxes, so I can get a better feel as to what I need and what I should be using. Okay, so that's what the brush looks like there. And it says if you wear powder highlighter, then you 100% need this brush in your life. This unique fanned out shape is perfect for dusting shimmer on the high points of your face with minimal follow, and because it's totally vegan and cruelty free, you won't have any guilt making it a regular in your makeup routine. Seriously. Okay, so tip, this brush is perfect size for dusting, highlighting onto your collarbones, great for party looks. So that's what that looks like there. And this has a retail value, because this is a full size, so this, let me double check here. The retail value for this is $18. So there you go. This totally knocks out the box. And I don't know about you guys, but I've tried to purchase makeup brushes before, and they could be quite expensive. So that's one item, and you're already getting your bang for the buck with that one item. Okay, and then the next one here, we have Bella Pierre, and this is a mineral lipstick in the color Ruby. This has a retail value by itself of $20. It says we're always searching for a hydrating lip color come winter. And this nourishing formula is proof that makeup can look beautiful, be healthy for you too. It's versatile ruby red shade that's infused with vitamin C and E to get your lips pillowy soft, protect them from damage and with every swipe. So again, this has that retail value. And then let's see, I'm assuming this is red because that's what it looks like there. So let me just do a swatch so you guys can see what color this is and how it looks. So there you go, not so red. It seems to have like a pink undertone there. So not bad, I would definitely give that a try. And then, so that's two items. And then the next item we have here is H2O Plus Beauty. This is an ultra hydrating cream. So that's what that looks like there. And then it says it's, okay, so the full size version of this, so this is a deluxe sample, and I'm glad they're starting to put what it is. It's a full size, not full size, because sometimes it can be confusing. So this one is actually a deluxe sample. So the retail value for the full size would be 1 ounces for $42. And then it says it's a season for seriously skin quenching formulas, and this moisture packed treatment from thirsty skin experts. H2O is proven to double your skin's hydrating levels for up to 24 hours. Pretty major, plus the lightweight texture absorbs in seconds to leave your to leave your looking plump and smooth, never greasy. It doesn't say what, it just says your. All right, so it must have missed the face part. So for this, it says tip, use after cleansing, toning, and applying your serum. Make the most of the benefits. So let us take a look and see. I had to look at the time just in case my son came home. So this one does have a safety seal on it, so we can take a look more. And it's like a bluish cream there. And then let me just see. And it has like a clean scent. So it's not perfume, but it has that clean scent to it. So I'm not mad at that at all. It looks like the Belief Aqua Bomb. If you've ever used that before, it looks kind of like that one. Okay, so we're down to 2 products. So the next one we have here is from Sela, and this is Seed to Skin Scrub. So that's what that looks like here. And this is a deluxe sample, and then the full size version of this would be $34. So this is just because it's cold out doesn't mean your skin can't glow. Get rid of any dry, dull skin cells with this gentle body scrub. So it's a body scrub. It's made from the Amazonian cacao seed to exfoliate and shea butter to replenish moisture. So the scent is so refreshing. So let us take a look to see what the scent smells like, because that for me is usually make or break with a scrub. Well, with any body lotion, scrub. Usually if it doesn't smell good, it goes in the trash. Or I'll try to give it to someone else, or like my husband or something, I don't know. But we definitely give that out and about so someone can take a look. So it looks like it has, I don't know if you can see that, it has like a pink tone to it. And I do feel the scrub, and it does have a fresh scent to it, and it does smell good. So I am definitely okay with that. And then we have, last but not least, we have full coverage concealer from Morphe. So that's what that is there. And then this one is the full size version of it. So this is $9, and this is a concealer. So let me conceal away and see. This is what the outside looks like of the package. And then let me take a look here. So that's what that looks like right there. And we're just gonna try to conceal it. I'm not too sure. It seems like it's more so of, it doesn't have a scent to it, but it's, for me, it's, if you see the skin tone, it seems more so of a foundation type, but I don't mind trying it because it's a full-size version. All right, so for this one, it says, okay, dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your skin concerns, this concealer covers it with ease. This long-wearing formula is totally water-resistant, transfer-resistant, and sweat-proof for up to 16 hours. Plus, it's free from harm ingredients like parabens and skin irritants. So again, full-size version of this one is $9. Okay, so let us do a recap and see if this one was worth it. So you guys know we have the Morphe, we also have the bag, and if you forgot to mention, inside it does say Ipsy. And then we do have the full-size lipstick. We also have a full-size makeup brush, and then we have the scrub here too, and then we have the hydrating cream. So what did you guys think of the Ipsy products for the month of January? I know it's late, but that's when I got it, so I had to share this one with you guys regardless. So I think it was really good. The red lipstick, kind of too reddish, pinkish for me, but I don't mind giving it a try to see. I usually don't wear reddish, bright colors like that, but again, I don't care. I will definitely give that a try, but everything else overall was really good. And again, it was just $12. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below if you guys got any of these same products. I would definitely love to know. And if you guys have ever tried any of these, definitely let me know. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.